In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix calls dropping on Android. So if your calls are constantly being dropped on Android, there might be various reasons behind it. In order to fix the problem, there are few things that you can do. The first thing that you can do is simply try turning on the airplane mode. For that, open the settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. Tap on this option network and internet. Now after you do that, you'll be able to access the network and internet settings. What you have to do is find the option for airplane mode. After you do that, toggle that button on. Now after you do that, you can see over here airplane mode has been enabled. Now wait for a while and toggle off the button. Now after you do that, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you have to do is tap on this option mobile network that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply scroll down. Now over here you'll be able to find this option for VoLTE. Make sure to toggle this button on. Now after you do that, also tap on this option preferred network type. Make sure to select the option for 4G, 3G, 2G. If 5G is available, also make sure to select that option. Now after you do that too, your problem should be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply try updating the carrier services. For that, open the Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for carrier services. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for carrier services. Now if the update is available, what you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you have to do is reset your network. For that, open the settings. You can see over here settings has been opened. Scroll down and find this option for system and tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the system interface. What you have to do is find this option for reset options and tap on it. Now you'll be able to see the reset options over here. Find this option for reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Instead of that, you might also be able to find the option for reset network. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, your network will be reset and your problem should be fixed. So these are the common fixes to your problem. So that is how you fix calls dropping on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.